absolute purest, uncorrupted, clean, without filter, without screen. Cleaner than the sea when your eyes drop and you see through from the top to the bottom, 1,000,000 miles below, clean from head to toe. You know the deepest thing in the world, deep as an unfulfilled quest, deeper than even a dying man's last thought, filled to the brim with understanding, from the soul to the skin. You know complete trust, unwavering and steady, like a trapeze swinger and the safety net ready. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. You know the joy, more joy than even the doctor's words that the blood work was fine. Oh, when laughter inside a bazaar or a shrine signals the death of worry, and you can rest your mind. God has run out, just run out of tests, and now a God prays to you no less. The joy when a God prays to tell you you will be alright, you're alright. This nomad has been here and there, searching for it all, through the highs of a bottle and the lows of every fall. That one place where all impossible extremes live together, so you don't have to search no more. You know complete trust, unwavering and steady, like a trapeze swinger and a safety net ready. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. From the very moment they open to the one where they close, from the start to the last time, from the first sound to the last sigh. Trust, clean, pure, deep, can be found along with an impossible love, through life's lows and its highs. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. Trust, clean, pure, deep, all of them, everything, all of them, everything. Found inside, through life's lows and its highs, all that everyone seeks, the mighty and the meek,